So you've published your own website to GitHub Pages for free, but now you want to be able to have your custom domain point to this website. Well, let me show you how to do that. So we know that we can access our website through this github.io site. So I can go here, visit domain. Here's my website, looking great, built with MK Docs for material. Check the link up there if you haven't set up a material for MK Docs. It's awesome for documentation. So what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to actually have our custom domain right here. And before we do this, we will need to go ahead and create a record with our DNS provider. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm already logged into AWS here, which is where I have my domain name, Thomas Wild Tech. And I'm gonna create a record for a subdomain. I'm just gonna use awesome.thomaswildtech.com. So let's go ahead and create a record here. This is gonna be where I put in my awesome.thomaswildtech. And then I'm going to choose a CNAME record in which I'm going to route this to this domain. So I'll put that there and hit create records. So that's going to create those records. Now I'm going to go back here and input the custom domain. So this is awesome.thomaswildtech.com. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay, and then we just give it a minute. DNS check successful. Let's hit enforce HTTPS. And then let's see if we can access it now. So I'm going to go to awesome.thomaswildtech.com. And there we go. Simple as that. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more like this. See you in the next one.